The enzyme. Since the beginning of life, these tiny protein molecules have been the essential and natural microscopic catalysts in biochemical reactions, breaking down molecules and increasing reaction rates in plants, animals, and microorganisms. Whether it's the cotton fading process of stone-washed jeans, the yeast reaction in baking, or the production of plastics and biofuels, enzymes have indeed lived up to their billing as the microbial workhorses of biotechnology's new frontier.
What we do with industrial biotechnology is that we go in and we actually use enzymes. We use nature's technology to make industrial processes at much milder conditions. So we do it energy efficient, we do it resource efficient, and we also from a financial standpoint make it often much more efficient than if you use a traditional chemical route to make your products.
Naturally occurring and biodegradable, the integration of enzymes into the industrial world makes them environmentally friendly, especially as they replace synthetic chemicals and minimize the use of water, raw materials, and energy.
Industrial biotechnology offers to industry exactly the opportunity to be able to develop new processes and new products without giving up the ambition to have a greener earth and better economy.
Biotechnology, answering the world's call for a better future today.